some other general tips. We always want to make sure that this silicone plug is in place. So you can pull it out like this for cleaning, but we need it pushed in nice and firm. The issue is that if juice gets down through this plug, it can spill under the base and cause some issues. The next tip is we want to keep this plug open while juicing. When it comes down to a drip, like a trickle, you can close it and that's fine, take the machine apart. But if we have it closed and we're juicing, we don't want the juice to fill up past this level, so having it open is a good idea. The next tip is with the auger. So you can actually disassemble the auger from the filter. The reason we do this is to change this fine strainer here for a blank strainer, which is used for making sorbets and ice creams. The fine strainer is used for everything else. When we're assembling it, we just need to make sure that, here we go, there's a lock symbol here and an arrow here. We just need to make sure that this is aligned when we twist it.